After 9/11, the guy behind PayPal and Facebook launched a new company named for the Seeing Stones from Lord of the Rings. Earlier this year, it made more than $1 billion in revenue in a single 3-month period. It's called Palantir. In the aftermath of the attacks on the Twin Towers and Pentagon, there was a belief that if the US intelligence community had had better resource sharing, the attacks could have been prevented. Peter Thiel, who'd recently co-founded PayPal and a year later would invest $500,000 in Facebook in exchange for 10% of the company, saw an opportunity. Palantir is named for the Seeing Stones of Middle-earth, which allow the Dark Lord Sauron to communicate with his allies and spy on our heroes, and it's not the only Tolkien reference company Thiel's cohort have named. There's tons more, mostly in venture capital, defense contracting, or AI tech. One of Palantir's first investors was a company called In-Q-Tel, a venture capital firm owned by the CIA. In 2025, Palantir has 4 major platforms: Gotham, an AI-powered predictive policing system mainly used to streamline target identification in combat scenarios; Foundry, a data integration and analysis tool used by clients in the asset management, aviation, supply chain, healthcare, and financial services industries; Apollo, which helps deploy Foundry and Gotham tools wherever they need to be; and AIP, which allows operators who use any of the above to interface with them via AI chatbots, all of which run on the client's private network. Following Q2 of 2025, Palantir made headlines for reaching over $1 billion in revenue in a single quarter, largely thanks to the government contracts it holds, and saw its stock price jump over 6% in a day to roughly $170 a share, an all-time high.